Dr. Pepper flavored gum with caffeine. So there are so many negative side effects from drinking soda, but millions of us love the taste of it. Not only that, these drinks have added caffeine, which helps college students stay alert and focused during finals. Having a gum with the flavor of your favorite soda and the added benefits of a little caffeine will create value to customers wanting to cut back on their soda intake. Gum has very little caloric value and none of the negative effects that come from drinking soda. In fact, xylitol, a sweetener used in gum, has also been proven to reduce gum disease and help fight cavities. As a result, there will be millions of packages of gum that will be sold to the general public due to the win-win nature of this product. Not only can the consumer enjoy the flavor of Dr. Pepper, but they will get an energy boost and fight cavities at the same time.